Om Ganeshaya Namah. My talk will be short, not about my whole career, but about my photography of Ganesha. Okay, I am focusing only on one topic today, Ganesha. I started photography in my childhood. I watched the prints and the rolls of my brother who had a hobby of photography. He has a Voigtlander camera, and when he left for US, he carried that camera with him because in those days cameras were precious. Nobody will allow you to touch, you know. So I was a bit annoyed. Kya he's not giving me and going, he can buy 10 cameras in US. You know, India all custom problem, this problem, that problems, no luck. Somehow I bought Click 3 for 95 rupees. But 120 roll was expensive, so I discarded it. I managed to save some 350 rupees and bought a second-hand Taron rangefinder camera, German Taron rangefinder camera. I used it for many years, and my first assignment with that camera was our society Ganpati festival. You know, so they gave me some money. I got some prints made. I gave the society people prints who wanted the picture with Ganesha and all that. We took the procession up to the Vadala to Shivaji Park. That also I started. So that's my association of my photography has started with camera, and it continues. When I joined the newspapers, it was my ritual to shoot one Ganesha every day in various places for 10 days till dispersal happens, and even before that, while Ganeshas are being made at various places, whether it is Pen, Chichpokli, Lalbagh or any other location where I am told if some Ganesha is made of currency notes, after the plaster of Paris, they used to put currency notes on it. So various different kind of Ganesha we used to shoot every day and publish. Then when I moved to Indian Express after 10 years with daily newspaper of Rusi Karanjia, I realized ये क्या साला सेम साल हर साल वही मंडल में जाओ, इधर जाओ उधर जाओ, कुछ नया नहीं है. 10वें दिन चौपाटी में जाके मिट्टी में कपड़े खराब करो, पानी में जाओ. तो I thought of doing something different. By then I was well established in the media. So on the 10th day, I went to Chowpatty beach. I shot the procession, and then I had arranged a boat from the Badwar Park in Cuff Parade to go in the mid-sea, and when the Ganesha comes inside the water, I shoot that angle. Because in Chowpatty, all Ganeshas are going this way and I am getting back. Or I am getting near Sukhsagar, the Ganesha coming on the beach. That's the only picture I am getting there. Going into water is a back shot. So no fun. So 1 year I tried, went into the boat. I managed to get a Ganesha, something like this. This is not my first Ganesha. This is not my first Ganesha. This is inside from Chowpatty only. I have gone into water like this. This is Chowpatty, but this is off the cuff parade. Okay. And this also next day morning I got it. Not because by the time Ganesha comes in the mid-sea, it's 10:30, 11 o'clock, my newspaper deadlines have gone. Very rarely police instruct the Ganesha mandals to emerge by 6 o'clock, then only I get this kind of picture. But that cuff parade picture made a big noise in the media. Okay. And my newspaper used it 4-column big. Lok Satta and Gujarati newspaper Samkalin made a half page. So all photographers in the page, they were shouted by their editors next day, how you people missed this picture. Okay. So the journey is like that. Okay, enough of doing regular, bloody same thing. Yeah. So I try to change myself, innovate myself, whether it is a Ganesha coverage or any other coverage. Whether it is Harshad Mehta, Ganesh or Ambani or Goenkas or XYZ, any subject which is a ritual, I every year try to change myself. Then next year, everybody thought he will go in the boat. So everybody came into the boats. They did not find me on the boat. By then I had managed police commissioner's helicopter. Okay. I went to Raj Bhavan, and after police commissioner took a round in the helicopter to see, I requested him, can I take a sortie for 15 minutes? He allowed me to give me the helicopter. I took an aerial picture from Chowpatty and I published that one. Again noise. How can police allow only one photographer to use helicopter? From next year I was banned. So similarly everywhere I try to doing it. After Indian Express I moved to Midday. Midday also I have to do something different. There also I had a team, in the Indian Express also I had a team. So we spring around various places, various locations, and we try to get the best exclusive pictures which others have not left, others not have got. So that is way in the Midday also Amitabh Bachchan with his son Abhishek Bachchan decided to walk to Siddhi Vinayak temple. We got a tip-off from his security. Okay. That 11:30 is leaving. After he left, we again checked with him. Yes, he has left, and the 2 cars and police is following him. He is walking towards the Siddhi Vinayak and is supposed to reach Siddhi Vinayak before 5 o'clock to attend the Aarti. So along with my 2 other Midday photographers, I positioned myself at the Mime Bridge. And once we realized, yes, he's walking, we shot some pictures, and up to Siddhi Vinayak, we kept following him. And I went and sit inside Siddhi Vinayak before police stopped me from entering it. But they did not stop, he wanted the publicity. It was a PR gimmick rather than taking darshana, you know. Because he got well from the hospital, he was admitted so many times, he recovered, and somebody must advise him to take darshana or do some karmas, walk to Siddhi Vinayak like many other people do, so he decided to walk. Before that, I believe he has gone by car to check how long it will take, and all recce all his people had done. But somehow we come to know that was the biggest, one of the biggest scoop on Ganesha by myself. Suppose, of course, there was a support from my team. And the biggest thing, I did not inform my editors or my editorial team that Amitabh ji is walking to Siddhivinayaka. Even after Mime Bridge, I did not inform them. After shooting at 5 o'clock first Aarti, 6 o'clock we are done, did not call up office, straight went to office at the Lal Bagh and told morning sub-editor to use this picture on the front page, called up my editor that this is the page. We got half page on the front page and a full page inside because 3 of us shot the pictures. So this is the kind of Ganeshas, and many times year after year I have tried many gimmicks to continue to shoot my journey with Ganesha. I can do one full exhibition only on Ganesha pictures. Now also I am here for 15 years. I don't shoot like what I used to shoot in the midday or in the Indian Express. I continue to shoot it differently, at least for 2-3 days, like this Ram Mandir in Vadala. The ICICI chairman, I forgot his name. Kamath. He and his family donated 1 crore rupees gold necklace to Ram Mandir in Vadala because it is GSP temple and he donated. So we keep on doing some kind of photo coverage even now just for my documentation purpose. So that was my journey of about Ganesha. Thank you very much. Any questions, please ask me. Everybody is giving the bites. Photographers only do red carpet, no inside. Ambani Vedi also no inside, do the red carpet. Bhabhi will come and talk to you, stand here. That was not my kind of journalism. I have get crashed into the Dhirubhai Ambani's AGM, his daughter's wedding, Anil Ambani's wedding, Nita's engagement, Nita's wedding. Oh, love, Times of India, love. She is Nita Dalal, not Ambani. This is as a Nita Dalal. At this dance, that Garba competition, she was performing at Birla Krida Kendra, Birla Matoshri, near Bombay Hospital. Kokila Ben was the chief guest. This was their community function where she was performing. She is a daughter of main Birla's CA. Kokila Ben was chief guest. She was spotted here. Next day I published this picture in daily newspaper. Kokila Ben picked up this picture, newspaper, and showed it to Dhirubhai. Then મને આ છોકરી ગમી છે, मैं એની સાથે बात करी છે. बैक स्टेज जाके उसने बात किया उससे, उसके पेरेंट्स से बात किया कि come and meet us. All meetings were arranged with Mukesh and then it was decided to tie the knot, engagement and then wedding at Cooperage. When the engagement was announced, in those days there was no Google or anything. Only I had newspaper I had the only picture of Nita. I never had in those days the picture of Nita and Mukesh both. But I had a picture of Nita and this picture was used again. Then Illustrated Weekly, Pritish Nandi saw that his wedding is announced. Now I must put her on the cover. He put it on the cover of Weekly. So such kind of scoop and major lucks are due to some blessings of unseen, seen, unseen have been with me. Her picture went on a hoarding also with this campaign. Mukesh had to tell Lintas to remove this, remove the hoarding. Then it was removed from the hoarding. So keep working, worship your work, everything works well. Sometime quickly, sometime after long time, hardcore. दाऊद की सिस्टर का किस्सा ऐसा है कि दाऊद तो इंडिया में था नहीं, तो उसकी बहन को अपीयर होना पड़ता था कोर्ट में। तो कोर्ट में तो आती थी तो बुर्खा में आती थी, और उसके साथ उसी की हैवी लिफ्ट बॉडी, उसके साइज़ वाली 2 लेडी और आएगी, वो भी बुर्खा में आएगी। तभी कैसे पहचानूँ इसमें दाऊद की सिस्टर कौन सी है? वो भी बुर्खा में है। फिर वो कोर्ट में गई अंदर, लिफ्ट में मैं उसकी साथ ही घुस गया पुलिस के साथ, क्योंकि बाकी की 2 लिफ्ट में नहीं आई, वो दूसरी बार आई। फिर लिफ्ट में बैठ गया, जाके बैठी, मैंने उसका चप्पल देख लिया खाली। कोर्ट में तो फ़ोटो निकाल नहीं सकता हूँ। फिर जब भी कोर्ट सेशन के बाहर आई तभी बुर्खा और वो चप्पल देख के उसका बुर्खे वाला फ़ोटो लिया। उसके बाद एक बार इनकलाब न्यूज़पेपर के लिए हम इंटरव्यू करने गए उसके घर पे। उसने एडिटर को बोला था फोटोग्राफर नहीं लेके आना, तो भी मैं गया उसके साथ, एडिटर के साथ। तो नीचे वॉचमैन ने देखा कि मैं आया हूँ कैमरा बैग लेके, तो ऊपर पूछा तो बोला उसका कैमरा बैग तुम ले लो और उसको बोलो जाके चाय पियो। तो चाय पी के खाली हाथ वापस आया, फ़ोटो नहीं है। तो ऐसे भी फेलियर्स हैं लाइफ में, मगर आई नेवर गिव अप। आफ्टर 2-3 months आई रेड ए स्मॉल आइटम इन न्यूज़पेपर that her son is getting married and the reception is next to Times of India अंजुमन इस्लाम स्कूल में। तो अभी मैं बोला यहाँ तो बुरखे में नहीं आएगी, हाँ आएगी तो चलो जाने दो, और क्या, आएगी तो बुरखे में आएगी। मैं जाकर फुटपाथ पे खड़ा हो गया। पहले तो दूर खड़ा था मैं, फिर देखा कि गार्लैंड वाली कार आई, तो रोड क्रॉस करके उधर गया। फटाफट जैसे कार में से उतरी, फटाफट मारा। वो उसके गार्ड्स लोग को बोल रही कि इसको कैसे खड़ा रहने दिया। मैं 10-12 फ्रेम करके हट गया। दूसरे बाजू गया तो उसका बेटा और बहू निकले, तो वो भी शॉट मार लिया। तो दैट इज़ अनदर बिगेस्ट स्कूप ऑफ माई लाइफ। मैनी स्कूप्स आर देयर, लिखने जाऊँ तो ओवर 100 स्कूप्स आर देयर। NCPA में भी मैं NCPA में बैठ के बोल रहा हूँ। वो हमारे फाउंडर थे डॉक्टर बाबा, वो फोटोग्राफी अलाउ नहीं करते थे ऑडिटोरियम के अंदर, और हम लोग सुबह से भाग रहे थे। सुबह भी 1-2 जगह उसका मिसेस गांधी का फंक्शन था, वहाँ फ़ोटो नहीं मिला तो ठीक है भाई, चलो पूरा दिन है, शाम को जाएगी एयरपोर्ट तभी मिलेगा या कहीं ना कहीं मिलेगा। तो शाम को कुछ इधर 6 बजे कंसर्ट में वो अटेंड करने वाली थी, सुनने वाली थी वो। तो अंदर बाहर गेट से हम पहले आ गए, तो ये हमारी सिक्योरिटी ने बोला कि साहब ने बोला है नो फोटोग्राफर्स इनसाइड। ठीक है भाई, नो फोटोग्राफी। तो हम बाहर खड़े हो गए टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, ये NCPA में टाटा थिएटर के बाद। उनका पी आया, वो बोले मैं हेल्पलेस हूँ, NCPA नाम बोल रहे हो, ये कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं, आप यहाँ निकालो। बोला ठीक है, हम यहाँ निकालते। 10 जन थे, हमने अंदर ही अंदर बात कर लिया कि हम कैमरा ऐसा करके खड़े रहेंगे और एक फोटोग्राफर को सामने रखा, जब यहाँ से पास होगी शूट दैट पिक्चर। हाँ, वो फोटोग्राफर में तभी यूनिटी इतनी थी कि PTI हो, UNI हो, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया हो, सब ने वही फ़ोटो छापा। एक बंदे का शूट हुआ कि मिसेस गांधी का बॉयकॉट हुआ इन द NCPA बिकॉज NCPA डिड नॉट अलाउ देम टू गो इनसाइड। अभी मैं कैमरा लगे हुए हैं इधर। इसको मैंने 94 में जब भी वो जीत के आई तभी शूट किया। वो तो बहुत बार शूट किया उसको। बाद में अभी 5 साल पहले 4-5 साल पहले प्रेस क्लब में आई, तभी ये सेकंड पिक्चर नीचे है जो कलर, वो तभी शूट किया मैंने। बट उसका मेमोरीज देखो, शी रिमेम्बर्ड माई नेम बिकॉज माई दैट पिक्चर 94 पिक्चर वॉज अ बिग हिट, नो, शी रिमेम्बर्ड माई नेम।